Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make your profile private on Duolingo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Duolingo, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, making your profile private on Duolingo, while not entirely possible in the traditional sense, it involves managing your privacy setting to limit what others can see about your activity and of course your personal information. Because as we all know, protecting your personal information such as your full name, location, or other identifying details from being visible to strangers or acquaintances on the platforms. Some users like me may prefer to learn languages privately without attracting attention or interaction from other users on the platform. For you to be able to do that, all you're gonna do is go to the settings right here. And once you've done that, I need you to click on the privacy settings. Now, you see there's an option that says make my profile public. It allows others to find your profile and follow you, and allows you to follow others. Enrolls you in public leaderboards. You might want to slide that off. All right. Another option is you need to personalize ads, tracking, and personalization for advertising. Slide that off. After that, click on Save Changes. And at least in that sense, all right, you minimize distractions and interactions with others to maintain a focused and uninterrupted learning environment. Now, let's do that again on the mobile device to see how we can do it. Now, once you are inside the Duolingo app on your mobile device, I need you to click on the smiling icon at the bottom. And of course, click on the gear icon on the upper right corner. Now, once you do that, I need you to hover down below. And let's look for the privacy. You see, there's a tracking and personalization for advertising. Slide that off. If it's not yet, slide off. All right. And then as you hover down upstairs, you see that there's no option for you to make your profile not public. If that's the case, if you haven't done so on the website, just click on the help center. All right. And from here, just look for the support staff that you need to contact them regarding about your account private, and you can't have that option on the mobile device, but you can do it easily on the website duolingo.com. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.